Hi everyone, welcome back to the Glenna Tabor YouTube channel. I'm Glenna Tabor, and I admit it, I'm an instigator of fun and engagement in math at every level. Today I've got an exciting video for all you algebra teachers out there. We know teaching undefined and zero slope can be a bit tricky. It's often presented in a way that feels abstract and disconnected. But fear not, because today we're going to show you how to make it hands-on, engaging, and memorable for your students. First things first, let's set the stage with the matching vocabulary game. We all know a strong vocabulary is the key to understanding any concept. Head over to glennatabor.com to grab the free Undefined and Zero Slope vocabulary game. This will build the background knowledge your students need before diving into the world of undefined and zero slope. Here's a quick demo of the game. Students match terms like slope, perpendicular, and parallel with their definitions. It's a fantastic warm-up to get those gears tuning. It's also a repeated impression of the terms and definitions because it's played with all unmatched cards remaining face up. Every time a student needs to make a match, they have to reread all the cards. Again, massive exposure to terms and definitions. Now let's add some excitement with Anglegs, the Lego of geometry and algebra. These colorful manipulatives are a game changer. Watch how they bring concepts like perpendicular, parallel, and 90 degrees to life. See how we use Anglegs to visually demonstrate these key concepts? It's hands-on, interactive, and adds a whole new dimension to your algebra lessons. I'll post a link to these awesome tools in the video description. If you don't have Anglegs, just grab some popsicle sticks and make the lesson hands-on. All right, time for some action. Our undefined and zero slope match game takes learning to the next level. Instead of just teaching your students the algorithmic procedure for writing an equation for undefined and zero slope, well, even saying that was boring. This game challenges students to find a four-way match, allowing them to tactically explore the characteristics of undefined and zero slope lines in a coordinate plane. It's competitive, it's engaging, it's fun, and it will help your students master the concepts of undefined and zero slope. Check it out. Students match slope values, equations, graphs, and real-world scenarios. It's a hands-on puzzle that reinforces their understanding of these crucial concepts. As with all the free games on glennatabor.com, both of the games featured in this video include a recording sheet. The recording sheet serves as a check for understanding for the student and the teacher. It's also a way for teachers to hold accountability when students are in stations. Now, the ultimate, the XY movable pegboard. This manipulative lets students physically manipulate and showcase undefined and zero slope lines. Your students will be able to use the XY movable pegboard to experiment with different slopes, truly experiencing the concepts of undefined and zero slope in a tangible way. It's a game changer in making abstract concepts concrete. Guess what? Both match games are free on glennatabor.com. Head over there now to download these fantastic resources for your classroom. That wraps up our hands-on journey into teaching undefined and zero slope. Remember, learning should be fun, engaging, and leave a lasting impression. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with your fellow educators.